Okay, hi everybody. I'm going to hopefully show you a video of how to make the bed runners. And you can watch this video before we Skype this afternoon. And you're going to be making 2 twin size bed runners, and you're going to be making 1 queen size for each set. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to start with 5 fabrics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to, which are funny looking fabrics, but I'm just using those to demonstrate, and then I'll be using black thread so hopefully you can see it better. And you're going to cut each one of these into 10.5-inch strips. Okay? Then that will make up this panel. And you'll have all of these sewn together just like you know how to do. Sew and press. When you've done that, then you will take the fabric, unfold it, making sure the edges are even. Then you will cut the, let's do it from this end. You'll cut the edges off like you do with everything. Just mark it and then cut that off. When you've got that cut off, we'll pretend like that's cut, then you'll cut these in 2 20.5-inch panels. You'll get 2. Okay. That will give you 2 panels like this. And that is shown on this pattern piece right here. Okay? And I'll show you what you're going to do. Okay, come over here. So, for the queen size, which is 100 inches, and Terry will help you with the centimeters, you will have 2 panels. So for the large one, you are going to put 2 of these panels together for the 100 inches, and this is for the queen size. So you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That'll be for the queen, and sew this together. Okay? For the twin, which will make 2 for each room, you will do a set of 5. Like this is for the queen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the twin, you will do 1 set of 5 plus 1 strip. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll take 1, the same one here, the first one, and put it at the end. And sew that together. So you then have 6, 10, 20.5-inch strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for your twin. Then for the flannel, what you're going to do, then you're going to do your flannel, the inside. So you're going to take your flannel and you're going to cut a piece of flannel, and you have the fold right here. You see, remember how, you know how it goes, like this. What's nice about this is you don't have to measure. You can lay this right on your flannel and cut it to size. So by just like this, look. Doesn't have to be exact right now. Okay, and then, can you see over here? I'm going to, there's extra here, so what I'm going to do is, there's extra all the way around, leave it, and I'll cut it just a little closer, okay? So you have plenty of room. Then take this off, and now you have 2 pieces of flannel. So take your scissors, put it right into the fold, and cut it in half, lengthwise. About that point, you can take it and just tear it. And you'll have 2, 1, 2, which is perfect. You'll have 1 for each twin. Okay? Then you'll take your top piece, lay it on that piece of flannel. See how big it is all the way around. Pin it on, and then stitch all the way around. And I forgot to stitch here. And then do your top stitching. Here's my pen. 1 second, I'll get my pen. Here it is. So I forgot to stitch the top stitching, but you can do that. It's just like the bed runner. Just stitch right here, right here, right here, there. Do it a little closer, just like you do the table runner, not the bed runner, the table runner. And then, okay? So you will have it all stitched. Here, 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 and here. Then, when you've done that, wait a second, before you do that, trim the edges. So take this and then trim it to fit. All the way around. Okay, so do that all the way here, here, and here. When you've done that, you will take your backing fabric, the fabric that'll be on the back of your bed runner, and cut it the same way you did the flannel. Lay it out, lay your panels on top of it, cut it, and then lay it out like this. Put your backing up, your top down, and the flannel on top. Flannel face down and the backing up. Just like you do with the we'll see, you haven't done that with the 3 layers, but this is how it looks. Okay? And then when you get that, sew it all the way around. Here, you will leave a gap, a 10-inch gap here, so you can turn it like you do the apron and the coasters and the sunglass cases. This will be all stitched. Trim your edges here and here the same way you do the bed runners. Then turn it. This will be sewn. Then you'll turn it inside out. Pull it all out. When you've done that, you will turn it inside out. You'll fold that gap. Where the gap is will be here. You'll fold it in, just like you do with the apron and the sunglass case. Fold it in, then stitch all the way around and press. And you see this top stitching here. And that will be your bed runner. You do not have to do any hand sewing, and the measuring is to a minimal. I think this will help, and if you can watch this video, then I can answer any questions. Thank you. Bye.